Hey y'all, welcome to Freedom Makers. I'm Amanda, and today I want to share something with you guys. I had a conversation with a dear friend of mine. She's a single mom too. She is like at her wit's end, as are a lot of other parents. So not only is she working from home right now, she has 3 kids, but she is also homeschooling them for the first time and doing it by herself. I completely know what that's like because I have been homeschooling my daughter, working from home. Like, this is my life, like, every day. So she reached out to me and she's like, Amanda, how do you do it? Like, what's your secret? What are you doing? How can you handle this every single day? Well, I'm going to tell you, it's not easy. It's not easy at all. And so I have a lot of things that I use in my life, in my everyday. I have everyday practices that help me to pull through that because it's not easy. People used to ask me, like, what do you do all day? I don't think anybody will ever ask me that again. It is very difficult to work from home, number one, to create a business from home. It's very hard to homeschool while you're doing that. And it's even more intense if you're doing that without the support of a partner. So what I told her is that I use essential oils. I use them to support my health physically because I have chronic conditions that I have to manage. I also use them for my emotional well-being. I use them to clean my home, all sorts of ways. Like, we use them for sleep support, focus, to boost our mood. Like, it's endless how we can use them. And there are so many different scenarios with so many different oils that I could share. But for right now, I want to share the one that is helping me stay sane and that helps my daughter. Now, my sunshine girl is amazing. But sometimes she internalizes things that are happening around her in a way that is not healthy and causes a lot of stress. Because of our personal situation, there are a lot of questions I can't answer. I don't know why her father left. I don't know why he's not a part of her life. There are a lot of things I don't know. And so she has a lot of questions that I don't have answers for. And right now in her life, and for, gosh, a year and a half now, that's caused a lot of stress for her. Well, this last fall, doTERRA came out with a new blend called Adaptive. This is in a roller ball. It also comes in a big bottle that you can use to diffuse, but this roller is what I use with her. When she's feeling stressed and upset, and she has questions that I can't answer, and my mama heart is breaking, and I can see hers too. I take this, I open it up, I roll it in her palm, I put it behind her ears, like so. I rub her little hands together, and I have her breathe it. Now, some of you won't believe this until you try it yourself, but I can visibly see the stress melt away from her little body. We take a deep breath together, and we talk. Now, there are so many people right now that are dealing with situations they're not used to. Whether you are a public servant, maybe you're worried about the things you might be bringing home. Maybe you're a healthcare worker, a police officer. You've got to be out there. You can't quarantine yourself right now. And you're worried about those germs. I can help you. Maybe you are that single mom that is working at home, doesn't have a good support system. You're frazzled, you're scared, you're freaking out. I can help you. Maybe you're an elderly person that's stuck at home and has been quarantined for weeks, and you're experiencing pain, or you can't sleep. I can help you. That's my job. I am a doTERRA wellness advocate, and I advocate for people's health when they don't know what to do, when they're not sure what to try. I help people. That's what I do. I love it, and I love spending my life in a way that can support others. That's why this channel exists. This channel exists so that I can help other people garden, grow their food, preserve their food, eat food from the earth, live a healthier life. I've not talked about oils in my everyday life very much on the channel. I've shared like some recipes, maybe some diffuser recipes, different things that I've used in the past, but consistently I haven't shared that part of my life, but it impacts my life every single day. And I'm telling you, this is number one. This has been number one. Like since it came out last fall, we use it almost every single day, and it helps us so much. It helps me with my stress. This is for stress. It's the calming blend. It's for stress and anxiety and all these, emotions. It helps you to refocus, recenter your energy so that you can figure out what in the world needs to happen. I see it in my daughter's body when I've put it on her hands and behind her ears. So if you want to know more about essential oils, how they can support you right now, I'm going to list a couple links below. There is a kit that is the most efficient way to purchase oils. It gives you a membership with doTERRA for free so that you can continue to purchase oils at wholesale. So you're going to be saving 25% right off the bat anytime you order for a year. It has these oils as well as several other ones that are very popular. Like you guys have all heard of peppermint and lavender and lemon and oregano and the powers of those oils just in basic conversation. Like a lot of people talk about oils. Those things are included in this kit that I'm going to recommend below. If you are interested in that, let me know. If you want to talk personally with me, let me know. Send me an email. We'll set up a time. We can talk about your health concerns, the concerns of your family, what you're looking to tackle, and I can help you find a solution that is right for you, for your budget, for your family. So today is a little bit of a different video. I'm just sharing this so that you guys are more aware of what I do behind the scenes, like YouTube, gardening. That's not my entire life. I also share oils. I educate people and I help them get these in their home because I really have seen the power in my own life, but I really believe these can help so many people. And at a time like this, when people are flustered, they're frustrated, they're scared, they're worried, I can help you. This is the best way I can help you right now. It's very important that you're growing food. I think that is one of the most important things a person can do and take part of and share with their children. But this is a close runner-up. Essential oils have changed my life. And if you are ready to make an investment in your health and you're looking for some solutions, I can help you. So tomorrow you guys can look forward to a garden tour. I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to walk around the whole property. I did it last night. I'm going to actually edit that today so you guys can see that in the morning. You're going to be able to see me walk around the entire property and show you guys what we're doing here on the farm. It's our first farm tour as Freedom Makers Farm. We'll be changing the name. My logo is going to change here pretty soon, things like that. I'm really excited. But until then, I hope you guys are staying home, staying safe. I love you guys. I appreciate each one of you for clicking on the channel, for subscribing, for commenting, for liking the videos, for just being here and being a part of my life. I am so grateful for you. And I hope we can connect soon. Thank you so much. Bye-bye, my friends.